I'm a food scientist who's obsessed with making plant-based versions of some of your favorite meals. This is my vegan lobster roll. To give these lobster rolls that taste of the ocean, we're going to use vegan mayonnaise, celery, chives, capers, dill, lemon juice, and Old Bay seasoning. Those all give these rolls that amazing flavor, but the real secret ingredient is heart of palm. Now, this doesn't really have a flavor, it's more about the texture, so you can shred it up like this, or you can also cut it into chunks. Now, I don't know about you, but my lobster roll needs to be buttery, so I like to saute the heart of palm in some butter. I tried this recipe with and without sauteing it in butter, and it was just so much better when you cooked it first, and then mix it in with all of those seasonings. From here, you can either let this refrigerate until it's chilled, or you can spoon it into buns just like this. Obviously, we need to toast our buns and even more butter, and that is how you do vegan lobster rolls. This is really great for making in advance. You can make that filling up to 3 days in advance and just keep it in the fridge until you're ready to eat. So next time you're craving lobster rolls, I dare you to try making it at home because it is so good. Let me know if you try it out, and happy cooking.